I'm Greg Nibbler with Digital Trends, and we're taking a look at the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the highest end in this Hero 7 range. It's not quite the Hero 8, but if you don't need all the features that come with the latest model, this one is a really good deal for what you're gonna be getting. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. All right. As you can see, I'd already opened it, but that's because I wanted to see what was inside myself. So starting off, pretty standard. Got the camera right here. It's got a mounting system that does come with it. That's good for mounting on really about anything. It's always customizable when it comes to GoPro. Taking a look on the inside of the box, a bunch of papers. You got some stickers. Let's take a look at what we have though as far as cables. So right here, you've got your USB-C charging cable. That's pretty standard. Got a battery right here. This is part of that mounting system, so it can stick to about anything. Put it on a bike helmet or whatever you want. Another style of mounting system. You can always get other things for that too, depending on what you want to use it for. And that's about what we have in that side of things. Let's take a look at the camera itself. All right, looking at what we've got right here, I took it out of the case that it comes with. This one's pretty standard. You can mount it to about anything. If you're gonna be dropping it off of a cliff, you can always upgrade that. I'd suggest that if that's your plan. But let's take a look at the camera itself. So it's got this rubberized exterior. It's got a nice feel to it, which actually helps out a lot with the waterproofing on it. Yeah, underneath right here, let's take a look at the battery case. This part is actually known to be a little bit difficult until you get used to it, but that's because they want that watertight seal on it. So you got a battery right in here, and over here, you've got your housing storage for your USB, your HDMI out, so you've got those in that side. Now talking about the camera itself, some key features on this. 12 megapixel camera. You can shoot in 4K up to 60 frames per second. You have HDR, and one of the really big things on this one is you have Hypersmooth stabilization. Now that's the software that essentially makes it like a gimbal without a gimbal. So internally, this software is actually incredible. It'll give you really, really steady frames no matter what you're doing, no matter what kind of action shots you're going for. A really great feature on this Hero 7 Black.